Excuse me, sorry to disturb you.
Oh, hi. Yes?
Are you also looking for this building number?
Yes, I am very confused.
Me too, everything looks the same here.
I thought I was the only one lost.
No, you are not alone.
Are you new here?
Yes, I arrived 2 days ago.
Same here. I came last week.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan, and you?
I'm from India.
Oh, that's nice.
Is this your first time in the USA?
Yes, my first time. I feel nervous.
Me too. Everything is new.
The language, the roads, the people.
Yes, even buying food feels hard.
Yesterday, I ordered the wrong thing.
That happened to me too.
I miss my home food.
Same here. I miss my family.
I try to be strong, but it's difficult.
It's okay to feel that way.
Thank you for saying that.
Why did you come here?
For work, I got a new job.
That's great. I came for my studies.
You must be brave.
You too. Moving alone is not easy.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I think so, if this is the right place.
I think this is the building.
Really? That's a relief.
I was worried I would walk all night.
Same. I was scared to ask people.
I feel shy speaking English.
Me too. I think a lot before speaking.
But your English is good.
Thank you. Yours is good too.
Maybe we can practice together.
I would like that.
It's nice to meet someone friendly.
Yes, I was feeling very lonely today.
Me too.
Now I feel a little happier.
Same here.
Do you want to exchange numbers?
Yes, that would be great.
We can help each other.
And explore the city together.
That sounds fun.
I'm glad we met today.
Me too.
Maybe this is the start of a new friendship.
I think so. Hi, Tom. You look very quiet today.
Yeah, I'm thinking too much.
About work?
No, about money.
Oh, are you having money problems?
Yes, I'm really worried.
I'm sorry. What happened?
I don't have enough money this month.
That's difficult.
My rent is due soon.
And you don't have enough for it?
Not fully. I'm short this month.
What caused the problem?
Many small things. Bills, food, travel costs.
Everything is so expensive now.
Yes, my savings are almost finished.
That must feel scary.
It does. I feel stressed all the time.
Did you talk to anyone about this?
No, I feel ashamed.
Please don't feel ashamed, Tom.
I don't like talking about money.
I understand. It's not easy.
I couldn't sleep last night.
I'm really sorry you feel like this.
I don't know what to do.
First, take a breath. You are not alone.
Thank you. That helps.
How much do you need right now?
Just some help for the rent.
I can help you a little.
Are you sure?
Yes, if it makes things easier for you.
I don't want to be a burden.
You are not a burden. You are my friend.
That means a lot to me.
I can help you later. No pressure.
I promise I will.
I trust you.
I already feel lighter.
Talking helps, right?
Yes, I should have talked earlier.
Many people face money problems.
Really?
Yes, I had the same problem last year.
I didn't know that.
I was scared then, just like you.
How did you manage?
I made a simple budget.
I should do that too.
I can help you with it.
That would be great.
Also, try to talk to your landlord.
I'm nervous, but I will try.
That's brave.
Thank you for supporting me.
Always.
I feel less stressed now.
I'm glad.
I'm lucky to have you.
I'm lucky too.
Let's take a short walk.
Good idea. Fresh air helps.
Today feels better than this morning.
One step at a time.
Yes, one step at a time.
Hello, I think we met before.
Yes, I think so, but where?
Let me guess, near the apartment building?
Oh, yes, that's right.
I'm glad I remembered correctly.
Me too. I was not sure at first.
It's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
Are you looking for someone?
Yes, actually, I'm meeting a classmate.
I see. I'm also waiting for someone.
Really? Who?
My coworker, but he is late.
That happens a lot here.
Yes, I'm still learning how things work,
Same here. I still feel confused sometimes.
especially with directions.
Oh yes, the subway map is scary.
Yesterday, I took the wrong train.
Oh no, what happened?
I went very far from my place.
That must be stressful.
It was, but I learned something new.
That's a good way to think.
How is life treating you here?
It's exciting, but also lonely.
I feel the same.
Sometimes I miss home a lot,
Me too. I miss my family and food.
especially home food.
Yes, nothing tastes the same.
But meeting friendly people helps.
I agree, like meeting you again.
That's kind of you.
Your English sounds better today.
Thank you. I practice every day.
I try, but I still feel shy.
That's okay. We are learning.
Do you still live near that building?
Yes, I moved just 1 block away.
Oh, that's close.
What about you?
Same place. I haven't moved yet.
That's nice.
Maybe we will meet again by chance.
Or we can plan to meet.
That sounds better.
We can explore the city together.
I would like that.
It's easier with a friend.
Yes, everything feels lighter.
I'm glad we met again today.
Me too. It feels familiar now.
Maybe the city will feel like home someday.
I hope so.
Oh, I think my classmate is coming.
I think my coworker just texted me.
Good timing.
Before we go, can we exchange numbers?
Of course.
Let's not get lost again.
Yes, let's help each other.
See you soon, Ria.
See you, Kenji. Take care. I feel tired today.
Me too. English practice is not easy.
Sometimes I feel my English is not improving.
I feel the same. I forget words when I speak.
Yes, the words just disappear.
Then I feel nervous.
Me too. My mouth stops.
I know many words, but I can't use them.
Exactly. It's very frustrating.
How do you practice at home?
I read English books, but slowly.
Do you read aloud?
Not always. I feel shy.
I feel shy too, even at home.
It sounds strange when I hear my voice.
Same here, but I think reading aloud helps.
Maybe we should try together.
Yes, together feels easier.
I also watch English videos.
With subtitles?
Yes, always. Without subtitles is hard.
I try without subtitles sometimes, but I don't understand much.
Then I feel sad and stop the video.
I do the same.
Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, but I don't understand all the words.
Me neither.
I read the lyrics on my phone.
That's a good idea.
I repeat the song lines.
Really?
Yes, but only when I'm alone.
Same here.
Do you speak English at home?
Not much. I'm afraid of mistakes.
I'm also afraid.
But mistakes are part of learning.
I know, but fear is still there.
Maybe we can speak English for 10 minutes every day.
That sounds possible.
We can talk about simple things.
Like food or daily work.
Yes, simple topics.
No pressure.
No pressure at all. Let's practice English today.
Okay, but I feel nervous.
Don't worry, I feel nervous too.
My English is not good.
Mine is not perfect either.
I forget words when I speak.
I forget grammar sometimes.
That's normal.
Yes, we are learning.
How should we practice today?
Let's speak slowly.
Okay, simple sentences.
Good idea.
What did you do today?
I cleaned the house.
I cooked lunch.
What did you cook?
Rice and vegetables.
That sounds nice.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, every day.
With subtitles?
Yes, it helps me understand.
I watch with subtitles too.
Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, but I don't understand all words.
I repeat the lines.
Do you read English books?
Yes, but very simple books.
I read children's stories.
That's good for learning.
I feel shy when I speak.
I feel shy too.
But speaking is important.
Yes, we must try.
Let's speak English for 10 minutes every day.
Yes, every day.
No fear.
No pressure.
Making mistakes is okay.
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
I feel better now.
Me too.
Thank you for practicing with me.
Thank you too.
Let's practice again tomorrow.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
Yes, is everything okay?
I'm really sorry, but I have a small emergency.
Oh, what happened?
My phone battery is dead.
I see.
I need to make one quick call.
Is it urgent?
Yes, very urgent.
Okay, who do you need to call?
My sister, she is waiting for me.
Are you late?
Yes, and she is worried.
I understand.
Could I please borrow your phone for a minute?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you so much.
Please be quick.
Of course. Hello, Emma? Yes, it's me. My phone died. I'm fine, don't worry. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Okay, see you soon. Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
Here's your phone.
Thanks.
You really helped me.
I'm glad I could help.
I was very stressed.
I could see that.
Thank you for trusting me.
You're welcome.
I hope you have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Thanks again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Are you ready to practice again?
Yes, let's start.
How are you feeling now?
I feel a little better today.
That's good.
How about you?
I feel less scared to speak.
That's progress.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7.
I woke up at 6:30.
Did you feel sleepy?
Yes, very sleepy.
What did you do after waking up?
I brushed my teeth and took a shower.
I made tea first.
Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, every morning.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread and eggs.
I ate fruit and toast.
That sounds healthy.
What are you doing now?
I am practicing English with you.
Me too.
Do you speak English alone?
Sometimes in front of the mirror.
Really?
Yes, it helps me.
I talk to myself sometimes.
I do that too.
It feels funny.
But it helps.
Do you make mistakes when you speak?
Yes, many mistakes.
Me too.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
What English word did you learn today?
I learned the word practice.
I learned confidence.
That's a nice word.
Let's use it in a sentence.
Practice gives confidence.
Good sentence.
I feel more confident now.
Me too.
Let's practice again tomorrow.
Yes, every day.
Slowly but surely.
We will improve. Emma, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
I feel stuck with my English speaking.
Oh, I understand that feeling.
I study every day, but I don't feel confident.
What part is difficult for you?
Speaking, my mind goes blank.
That happens to me too sometimes.
Really? You speak well.
I also struggled before.
So what helped you?
I started talking to myself.
Talking to yourself?
Yes, at home, alone.
What do you talk about?
Simple things, my day, my plans.
Doesn't it feel strange?
At first, yes, then it feels normal.
I feel shy even when I'm alone.
That's okay. Start slowly.
How slowly?
Just 1 or 2 sentences.
I think I can try that.
Another thing is shadowing.
What is shadowing?
You listen and speak at the same time.
Like copying someone?
Yes, copying their voice and speed.
That sounds hard.
It is hard at first.
Do you use videos for that?
Yes, short videos are best.
With subtitles?
First with subtitles, then without.
I stop videos when I don't understand.
Try not to stop too much.
Why?
Your brain learns even without full understanding.
That's interesting.
Also, practice every day.
Even for a short time?
Yes, even 10 minutes.
I skip days when I feel tired.
That's normal, but consistency matters.
I lose motivation sometimes.
Then change the method.
Like what?
Songs, stories, or daily talks.
I like English songs.
Sing along with them.
My pronunciation is bad.
Singing helps pronunciation.
I never thought about that.
Also, don't fear mistakes.
I'm very afraid of mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even fluent speakers?
Yes, all the time.
That makes me feel better.
Focus on communication, not perfection.
I always think about grammar.
Grammar is important, but speaking comes first.
I think too much before speaking.
Try to speak without stopping yourself.
I will try.
Be patient with yourself.
Learning English takes time.
Yes, but you are improving.
Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome.
I feel more confident now.
That's great.
Let's practice together tomorrow.
I'd love that.
Every day, little by little.
Exactly. Little steps matter. You look tired today.
Yes, it was a long day at work.
What time did you wake up this morning?
Around 6:30.
That's early.
I wanted to practice English before work.
Really? That's great.
I only practiced for 10 minutes.
10 minutes is better than nothing.
How about you?
I woke up at 7.
What did you do first?
I made coffee and checked my phone.
Do you check messages in English?
Sometimes, yes.
I try to read English news every morning.
Is it easy for you?
Not always. Some words are hard.
Do you use a dictionary?
Yes, but I don't check every word.
That's a good habit.
How was your work today?
Busy, but okay.
Do you speak English at work?
Yes, a little.
Does it make you nervous?
Yes, especially in meetings.
I feel the same.
Sometimes my mind goes blank.
Mine too.
But I think we are improving.
I think so too.
What do you do after work usually?
I come home, rest a bit, and eat dinner.
Same here.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, mostly English shows.
With subtitles?
Yes, English subtitles.
I do that too.
It helps with listening.
Do you repeat sentences?
Sometimes when no one is around.
Me too.
What are your hobbies?
I like walking and listening to music.
English music?
Yes, mostly.
Do you understand the lyrics?
Not all, but I try.
I read the lyrics on my phone.
That's smart.
I like cooking in my free time.
Do you watch cooking videos in English?
Yes, simple ones.
That's a fun way to learn.
Learning should be enjoyable.
I agree.
Do you speak English at home?
Not much, but I want to.
Me too.
Maybe we should speak English for a few minutes daily.
That's a good idea.
Even 5 minutes is okay.
Yes, no pressure.
What do you usually talk about in English?
Simple things. My day, my plans.
I talk about what I see around me.
That's good practice. Do you feel shy when you speak English?
Yes, very shy.
I feel shy too.
But we should not stop.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Do you write new words?
Yes, in a notebook.
Do you use them in sentences?
I try to.
How often do you practice English?
Every day, a little.
Same here.
Consistency is important.
Yes, more than long study.
I feel more confident than before.
Me too.
I'm glad we talk about this.
Me too. It motivates me.
Let's practice together tomorrow.
Sure.
After dinner?
Perfect.
Just simple conversation.
Yes, simple and relaxed.
Learning English feels easier together.
It really does.